Welcome to MEGGI LOO Vlogs. Today we will be giving you a video clips of a training of a chop dog. They are preparing a dog to compete this coming days soon. Again, we have Kyle as the owner and the trainer of the dog. Let's all observe and watch how they're being trained to be a champion. So enjoy watching. And my name is MEGGI LOO and I thank you. So I have Miley here beside me. She is a French bulldog. Her name is Miley. Look at her. Oh, so cute little Miley. How old is she? Yeah, she is trying to make a dilap. Wow, Miley, I like it, Miley. Thank you for being a nice friend to me. Thank you. Say bye, Miley. Bye. Thank you, Miley. Thank you. Gonna miss you. Okay lang kita. Again, I'm back with Miley. I'm so amazed with this French bulldog, Miley. She is a visitor dog by Kyle, of course, because she's being trained to compete this coming days. So let's watch out, and we will inform this Sunday. The competition will be this coming Sunday, and we will inform you if Miley will be our next champion dog. So yes, later on you will watch her with her training with our expert trainer, of course, with Kyle. So good luck, Miley. Good luck. Yes, thank you, Miley. Thank you. Bye-bye.
A few moments later.
This is our pet dog here. His name is Bidis. He's a Siberian Husky, male Siberian Husky, and he is 1 year old and 4 months. Of course, Kyle is preparing him for the competition, a dog show competition, this coming Sunday. And just like Mylene, we will watch out for the competition, and we will be there, of course. MEGGI LOO Vlogs, we will be there to watch the competition. So I hope to see you, and please enjoy watching the training of these two great dogs, Miley, our French Bulldog, and the beast, our Siberian Husky. My name is MEGGI LOO, and I thank you!